All right, today we're looking at a 2014 four-wheel drive GMC Sierra SLT, Summit White in color. It's got 36,000 miles on it. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, first thing we notice, it does have the front park assist. It is a Z71 4x4. Nice chrome caps on the side mirrors, chrome running boards, chrome door handles. Driver's side of the vehicle's in good shape. Alright, does have rear park assist. Alright, rear backup camera. It's got the tow hitch and trailer plug. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the bed. It's got the nice hydraulic on the tailgate there. Comes down nice and slow. Spray in bed liner. Alright, got the tie down rings right here. Everything looks good back there. Passenger side of the truck's in good shape. Got the turn signals right here in the side mirror. Got the bug deflector, nice chrome grille, got the fog lights. All right, it's a 2014, 36,000 miles. All right, got the Cocoa and Dune door panels, nice wood trim, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right, it does have memory seats. It is a four-wheel drive. It's got your brake controller there, nice thick rubber floor mats. It's got the Cocoa leather power driver's seat. Perforated inserts. All right, it's the captain's chairs with a nice big console in between. Comes with keyless entry. Got remote start. All right, got your SD card reader, USB ports, auxiliary power outlet, all in here. Plenty of storage there. Passenger seat leather's in good shape. All right, it's got 2 power outlets, 3 USB ports, and actually 3 power outlets and 3 USB ports. Adjustable pedals. Lane departure warning, air conditioned and heated seats. It's got dual climate controls. It's going to have your navigation and backup camera there, and we'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel with Bluetooth. You got a heated steering wheel, collision alert, steering wheel audio controls, and we already mentioned the 4x4. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 36,586 miles. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the home screen here. All right, these are all your apps. Go ahead and activate the navigation. All right, we'll go ahead and engage backup camera. All right, got the guidelines on there as well. All right, CD player, dual climate controls like we mentioned earlier, heated and air conditioned seats, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there at all. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. It is the double cab. It's not the crew cab, so the doors are a little bit shorter on this one, but it does have the nice thick rubber floor mats. Same thing back here with the Cocoa leather seats. Got the perforated inserts. All right, everything's in really good shape. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right. We already showed you the bed of the truck. Take another quick look at that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Got 18-inch polished aluminum. All right, Goodyear tires. All right, still plenty of tread left on them there. All right, once again, we got a 2014 GMC Sierra. All right, it's four-wheel drive, 36,000 miles. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's a 14. It's been well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.